born today will have ages of at least 120 years or more, average ages. In fact, over the last century, we have seen the average age of human beings grow by about 3 months per year. So people are living longer today by about 20 to 25 years than what they did 100 years ago. But now they're going to be a huge change in the next 10 years, 15 years because of these new discoveries that are taking place. Next slide, please. Similarly, microbes have been used as workhorses for a long time, and there are all sorts of changes that are being made in microbial structure so that we can use them to advantage. Is synthetic life around the corner? This is the work of Craig Venter in USA, where he took the DNA throughout its DNA and put in a synthetic DNA made in the laboratory, and that came alive and made 1 billion copies of itself. That happened about 2 years ago. 3D printing of kidneys, we have just heard. 3D printing of organs. Well, this is now being done. What has been done is that you take an organ